Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel again and thank you very much. You are still learning English in this channel. In this video, I would like to explain the sentence pattern must have plus past participle or verb 3 and how to use it. The details of the sentence patterns: passive sentence subject plus must have plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Negative sentence subject plus must not have plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Interrogative sentence must followed with subject plus have plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Question with a question word followed with must plus subject plus have plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. This sentence pattern is used to express certainty that occurred in the past based on the current evidence or reasoning. For examples, number one, this pen won't ride. It must have run out of ink. The first part of the sentence states that the pen is not working. The second part expresses a logical conclusion. The likely reason is that the pen has no ink left. We can also say the pen won't write because it must have run out of ink. Number two, he didn't answer my phone call. He must not have heard the phone ring. The first sentence states a fact. He didn't answer the call. The second sentence provides a logical assumption. The reason must be that he didn't hear it. Grammatically, this sentence is correct. However, a more natural way to phrase it would be: he didn't answer the phone call. He must not have heard it ring. Number three, the car is not in the garage. I'm sure he must have gone to the office. The first sentence states a fact: the car is not there. The second sentence expresses a strong assumption: the person has likely gone to the office. Grammatically, the phrase I'm sure and must have are both used to express certainty, making I'm sure he must have blah 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 redundant. A more natural correction would be: the car is not in the garage. He must have gone to the office. Or the car is not in the garage. I'm sure he has gone to the office. Number four, the lecturer doesn't explain the topic he promised last week. The sentence consists of two parts. One, the lecturer doesn't explain the topic he promised last week. This means that the lecturer didn't cover the topic he said he would discuss. Promised last week indicates that earlier he had committed to discussing a specific topic, but now he has not done so. Two, he must have forgotten it. This is a logical conclusion or assumption based on the first statement. Must have expresses a strong possibility or deduction. The speaker believes that the reasons the lecturer didn't explain the topic is that he forgot about it. Overall, the sentence suggests that the lecturer failed to cover the promised topic, and the speaker assumes that forgetfulness to the reasons. Number five, I saw the front door was not locked when I came home last night. I'm sure my parents must have forgotten to lock it. Well, in this case, I saw that the front door was not locked when I came home last night. This means that when you arrived home, you noticed the front door was left unlocked. Wasn't locked is the past passive form to describe the state of the door. I'm sure my parents must have forgotten to lock it. Must have forgotten indicates a strong assumption about what happened. Well, first, after you get the explanation, I'm sure that you understand it well. Now we go on the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in parentheses using must have, past participle. Number one, your grandfather looks so tired now. What is the right sentence for number one using must have past participle? Okay, he must have worked in the rice field just now. Number two, the roads are wet. So, what is the next sentence using must have to conclude what happened before? It's okay. It must have rained last night. Number three, the teacher is looking for his phone anywhere. So, what is your conclusion? All right, he must have left it at home. Number four, the students can't answer the test well. So, what really happened before? All right, they must not have studied before. Number five, the teacher arrived late to the class. So, what's your statement for number five to make conclusion what happened before? All right, she must have missed the bus. Number six, my father gives me some money to buy a new dress. So, what is your next sentence for conclusion using must have past participle? It's okay. He must have gotten his salary. Number seven, I saw my friend at mall with a man and a child. What is the conclusion of number seven? It's alright. She must have gotten married. Number eight, Lisa was baking a cake but got distracted watching TV. When she returned to their kitchen, the cake was black and smoking. So, what's your conclusion logically? It's okay. She must have forgotten to take it out on time. Number 9. During the class, Teddy couldn't stop yawning, and he even fell asleep at his desk. What's your assumption? For number 9, do you think must have plus past participle? It's alright. He must have stayed up too late last night. The last 10. The foreigners can go to the tourist destination with the guide. So, what's your assumption? Logically, conclusion for number 10, using must have past participle. It's alright. They must have visited it before. Well, viewers, I think that is all for discussing about the sentence patterns using must have past participle. I hope you understand it well. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next in a different topic. Bye bye.